In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an offer on eBay, providing a full guide for 2025. If you've made an offer on eBay and need to retract it for any reason, this video is for you. Let's go step by step through the process to ensure you can easily and effectively manage your offers. First, you'll want to log into your eBay account. This is the very first step and is crucial because you need to be signed in to access your buying and selling information. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. Here, hover over the My eBay section. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you need to select Bids Offers. This will take you to a page dedicated to your current bidding and offer activities. Now on this page, look carefully through your list of active offers to find the specific one you wish to cancel. Once located, click on View Offer Details. It's important to note the details of your offer to ensure you're retracting the correct one. Next, you will look for the Retract Offer button on the Offer Details page. This option will only be available if your offer is still pending and hasn't been accepted by the seller yet. If the offer has already been accepted or has expired, the option to retract might not be available, and you will have to explore other options directly with the seller. Assuming your offer is still pending, click on the Retract Offer button. eBay needs you to provide a reason for the retraction. You'll be presented with a list of options. Some common reasons include entered wrong amount or changed mind. Choose the option that best aligns with your situation. Providing an honest and accurate reason can help maintain transparency with both eBay and the seller. After you've selected your reason, click the Retract Offer button once more to confirm your decision. This additional step ensures that you truly wish to proceed with cancelling your offer, preventing accidental cancellations. Finally, if everything goes smoothly, eBay will provide a confirmation message indicating that your offer has been successfully cancelled. This message is a sign that your request has been processed correctly and you're done with the retraction. And there you have it, a complete guide to cancelling an offer on eBay. It's a straightforward process, but these steps will help ensure that it is as hassle-free as possible. Remember, always double check your offers before submitting to avoid the need to cancel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful eBay tips and tricks.